Let's move to the question number 7. A line PQ has its endpoint P 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. NQ is 35 mm in front of VP and the front view measures 75 mm. The distance between end projectors is 50 mm. Draw the projections of the line. Find the true length, theta and phi. Let's see what are the parameters given. In this case, full address of one endpoint given and partial address of other endpoint is given. Distance between end projectors is given and the front view length is given. So here, as per the data, we will locate P dash and P. And P is 10 mm above HP, so that we will mark P dash 10 mm above XY line, and it is 20 mm in front of VP, so 20 mm below XY line we will mark top of end P. Now distance between end projectors is given, that is equal to 50 mm. Distance between end projectors is that. What do we mean by distance between end projectors? It is the horizontal distance between P dash projector and Q dash projector. Q dash projector. Initially we do not know where the Q and Q dash is, but we know that distance between end projectors is 50 mm. So after marking P and P dash, we will draw a projector at 50 mm distance from P dash projector. Now it is given that Q is 35 mm in front of VP, so that we can mark this point Q. So this is 35 mm in front of VP. From XY line 50 mm below, we will mark this Q. And the front view length is given 75 mm. So P dash of center, 75 mm radius, we will cut the arc on the projector drawn from Q upward at this point. So this point is the Q dash. So that we get P dash Q dash is the front view, PQ is the top view. We got front view and top view. Now we can find true length theta phi by line rotation method. That is, front view P dash Q dash is rotated and made parallel to XY line here. This may be called Q2 dash or something. Then from this point you can project to the top view locus. So this is the top view locus. So this point may be marked Q2, and the angle made by the line PQ2 with XY line is phi angle, that is angle that the line makes with the VP. Similarly, front top view PQ can be rotated, and it is rotated and made parallel to XY line at this point. This point may be marked Q1. From this point you can project to the front view locus. This is the front view locus. Join P dash with this point, and this point is named Q1 dash. The angle made by P dash Q1 dash with XY line is called theta. Theta is the angle made by the line with the horizontal plane. The true length is either P1 Q1 dash, P dash Q1 dash, or PQ2. Both are same. So this is the solution of the problem.